Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Miss for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. Today I will trade binary options using Binbot Pro automated trading app. And for those of you who want to use a trading app to trade binary options, stay here until the end of this video to see the results. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. Alright guys, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, I hope all of you are well today. So in this video I will trade the binary options using Binbot Pro. So today I will automatically trade binary options. You can use Binbot Pro with a few brokers, and as you can see here, these are the accepted brokers for binary for Binbot Pro: Binary Send, Vida Forex, Race Option, and IQ Send. I'm using Binary Send. I'm using this trading software for a lot of time, 1 to 2 years. I think I got very good results, but I didn't use it lately. So in today's video, you will see if the robot is delivering good results or not. So for those of you who don't know what Binbot Pro, it is an automated trading software for binary options. The only thing that you have to do is to pass the registration, as you can see here on their official website. Activate trading account, no fee, nothing to buy, no hoops to jump through. Fund your trading account by initial deposit to start with. So it's $250, the initial deposit with one of these brokers which is available in your area. And number three, enjoy your balance evolution. So this have free awards, as you can see here: the best binary robot, top quality and confident 100%. It's in the market, I think, for 5-6 years, so that is saying something about it. But let's see what's all about. So let's go ahead and let's go and log in. And as you can see, this is my account, Chris Bragg. I have into my account $1,282.12, and I will run the robot. All you have to do is to click here on run, and let me go ahead and choose one of these robots, or you can create your own robot here. Just click on this button here and you can create your robot. But today I will trade using one of these robots, so I will choose strong ADX. Let's go ahead and click on run. This is trading fiat currencies and also Ikimoku crypto, but here we need $2,000. As you can see here, every robot has a recommended balance. I will choose one with a smaller recommended balance. RFA, body bands, HP cycles. No. So strong ADX is activated. Strong ADX, rising east, Ikimoku, X profit. Let's try Ikimoku. Even if the recommend this is the recommended balance, but you can trade with it with no problems. So as you can see here, I have two active brokers, and we will see the trades play, and already it placed. As you can see, Euro, Japanese yen, and Bitcoin USD. Let's see here. Let's go to our broker. We are here, we are on our brokers page, and as you can see, we have these two trades placed here on Bitcoin and Euro Japanese yen. Let's click on Euro Japanese yen to see the graph, and this is it. That's it. This is the entry point, and Euro Japanese yen, it was a call, a buy, and the Bitcoin also it was a call. So let's see Bitcoin, and that's it. As you can see here, we are here and the entry price is here and we are down here. So let's see what will happen. I will activate more robots. Let's go back to robots. Let's activate also hash per cycles run, and RFV RMA run. So you can activate multiple robots, and in this way the robot Beanbot Pro, it will place multiple trades. So let's see what will happen. Let's see if we'll have more trades here to place. And for example, if you want to create your own robot, click here on create robot, and here you'll type the name. You'll choose here the assets that you want to trade with, the indicators, MACD, commodity channel index, stochastic, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes, RSI, the period here on in minutes also, and you just make it public, click on save, and that's it. You will have your own robot. As a matter of fact, I will make one right now. Let's put it the name beanbot. All right, and let's click here on Euro AUD, Euro GBP USD, US dollar, Canadian dollar, and Euro GBP. Only this. Let's use as indicators stochastic and RSI on 5 minutes. Make it public and click on save. Choose at least 3 indicators. Oh, I need 3 indicators, and let's choose also ADX. Click on save, and that's it. We have been bought. Let's go back to our robots, and let's click on been bought here and click run. And as you can see now, the robot is running. And George, we have here 24/7 chat. If you have problems or something like that, it's very nice. As you can see here, these robots have this profitability ratio. Ikimoku crypto is 238, strong ADX v2 111, hash per cycles 111, and RFV and MA 97%. And your robot, if it will be a profitable robot, you'll see here the profitability ratio, but after one amount of time. Let's go back to the robots. Let's go back to our yes, and we have here a lot of trades placed. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 trades placed, so it's enough for today, I think. Order size, and let's go and let's see if we have any closed trade. Let's go ahead and click on close. No closed trades. Let's go to open. Let's go back to open. So let's wait a little bit. It will take some time in order this trade to close. My as you can see, my broker is binary cent. And let's go back to the robots, and I will close the robots. So let's see here. Here you can see active robots, active row Ikimoku crypto. Let's click on stop. Strong ADX, click on stop. Beanbot, my robot, click on stop. Hash per cycle, stop. And RFA and MA stop. All right, so that's it. So that's these are the trades that are placed today. I will get back to you when the trades are closed. I don't want you to wait a lot, and I will show you the results with Beanbot Pro in today's trading session. So stay here, don't go. Alright guys, so I'm back with today's trading session using Beanbot Pro, and as you can see here, my balance has increased, and I traded today using these robots. As you can see here, hash per cycle, strong ADX, and Ikimoku crypto. And let's go ahead and let's have a look on what was happening here into my broker's account. And as you can see, the balance is reflected also here. So let's go ahead and let's go here to close trades. And as you can see here, we have Bitcoin USD, which was a call, and we have 223.08 profit. We have Euro Japanese Yen, $223 profit. Euro GBP, $178.47 profit. Euro AUD, $178.47 profit, and GBP USD, $131.30 profit. So around 74 return on investment, 74% return on investment on these assets. So all the trades were in the money with Beanbot Pro in today's trading session, which is unbelievable. It's great for a trading software, automatic trading software. So if you want to use Binbot Pro, I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. If you have question, put a question in the comments area. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. If you want to use Binbot Pro, you have to fund your account with one of the accepted brokers. The minimum is $250 and then you will good to go. So that's the video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.